From the depths of the oceans to the treetops of the rainforest, the animal kingdom is filled with wonders. Today we embark on a journey of discovery, uncovering some of the most unusual and extraordinary facts about the creatures we share our planet with. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the hidden lives of animals, revealing their secret talents, surprising behaviors, and the incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in every corner of the globe. We'll encounter creatures both familiar and strange, learning how they navigate their worlds, communicate with each other, and overcome the challenges of survival. So, join me as we uncover 22 bizarre animal facts you've never heard of, and gain a newfound appreciation for the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Often misunderstood and unfairly maligned, rats are far more complex creatures than they are given credit for. In fact, recent studies have revealed a fascinating aspect of their behavior. Rats have the capacity for laughter. Deep within their brains, hidden amongst the intricate network of neurons, lies a region known as the periaqueductal gray. This area, scientists have discovered, is associated with the experience of pleasure and, intriguingly, laughter. Through careful observation and experimentation, researchers have found that when rats are tickled, this laugh center in their brains lights up, accompanied by high-frequency chirping sounds, their version of giggles. This playful behavior, once thought to be exclusive to humans and our primate cousins, suggests a depth of emotional complexity in rats that we are only beginning to understand. The animal kingdom is a tapestry of diversity, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. Take, for instance, the hummingbird, a tiny aerial acrobat with an astonishing ability. It can fly backwards. This remarkable feat is made possible by the hummingbird's unique wing structure and musculature, allowing it to rotate its wings 180 degrees. This backward flight, while not their primary mode of movement, proves particularly useful when extracting nectar from flowers. In stark contrast to the hummingbird's aerial agility, we find the kangaroo, a creature seemingly bound to a forward trajectory. Their powerful hind legs and massive tails, while perfectly designed for bounding across vast distances, render them incapable of walking backwards. This curious limitation lies in the very structure of their anatomy, a reminder that even the most successful adaptations come with their own unique set of constraints. From the icy, mysterious depths of the Arctic Ocean emerges a creature of legend, the narwhal. Often called the unicorn of the sea, the narwhal possesses a most peculiar feature, a single, spiraled tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long. But this impressive appendage is not a tusk at all, but rather an elongated canine tooth protruding right through the upper lip of the male narwhal. This remarkable tooth with its unique spiral pattern has long puzzled researchers. Some believe it to be a sensory organ, detecting subtle changes in water pressure, salinity, and even the presence of prey. Others theorize it plays a role in male dominance, used for displays of strength or perhaps even combat with rivals during mating season. Whatever its true purpose, the narwhal's tooth remains a source of fascination and wonder. These elusive creatures, found in the frigid waters of the Arctic, remind us of the incredible diversity and mystery that still lie hidden within our planet's oceans. Across the sun-drenched lagoons and salt flats of the tropics, a splash of vibrant pink catches the eye. Flamingos, with their elegant silhouettes and striking plumage, are a sight to behold. But their iconic pink coloration is not a matter of genetics, but rather a fascinating example of how diet can directly influence physical appearance. Flamingo chicks, upon hatching, sport a rather drab, grayish-white down. Their transformation into flamboyant pink adults is a gradual process, driven by their diet. These wading birds feast on algae and small crustaceans, both rich in carotenoids, pigments that give carrots their orange hue. These carotenoids, particularly beta-carotene, are broken down during digestion and eventually deposited in the flamingo's feathers and skin. The intensity of their pink coloration directly correlates to the amount of carotenoid-rich food they consume. A flamingo with a less vibrant hue may indicate a less abundant food supply. High in the canopy of Central and South American rainforests resides a creature that embodies a leisurely pace of life, the sloth. These arboreal mammals, with their shaggy fur and placid demeanor, are renowned for their languid movements, spending most of their lives hanging upside down, munching on leaves. But despite their reputation for sluggishness, sloths possess a hidden talent. They are surprisingly adept swimmers. When the need arises, these tree dwellers can descend from their leafy abodes and navigate the waterways with an agility that belies their land-based reputation. Using a modified form of the breaststroke, sloths can propel themselves through the water with surprising speed, moving 3 to 4 times faster than their usual crawl. This amphibious ability is crucial for survival in their rainforest home, where seasonal flooding is common. The sloth's mastery of both the slow lane and the waterway is a testament to its adaptability and resilience. These gentle creatures, often underestimated, remind us that even in the animal kingdom, appearances can be deceiving. The tiger, a majestic creature, the largest of all the cat species, surpassing even the lion in size. These solitary hunters are a spectacle to behold, their striking appearance a testament to their power, and every single one is unique. Their coat, a mesmerizing tapestry of orange and black, is not merely for show. It serves a vital purpose: camouflage. It allows the tiger to melt seamlessly into the dappled light of their forest home, making them practically invisible to unsuspecting prey. And this remarkable camouflage isn't just skin deep. The tiger's stripes extend beyond its coat, imprinted on the skin itself. Just like our fingerprints, no two tigers share the same pattern, each one a unique masterpiece of nature. These stripes, a product of thousands of years of evolution, are crucial for survival. They help tigers stalk their prey with stealth and precision, ensuring a successful hunt in the unforgiving wilderness. The platypus, a creature of curious contradictions, an improbable blend of mammal, bird, and reptile features. With its duck-like bill, webbed feet, and beaver-like tail, it's no wonder this creature puzzled early naturalists. But beneath its seemingly harmless exterior lies a surprising secret. The platypus is one of the few venomous mammals on Earth. On the hind legs of the male platypus are sharp spurs capable of delivering a painful venom. This venom, while not lethal to humans, can cause excruciating pain and lingering discomfort. Swelling, nausea, and even temporary paralysis can occur, a stark reminder that even the most unassuming creatures can possess potent defenses. The platypus, a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution, holds a unique place in the animal kingdom, a living paradox that continues to fascinate and surprise us. The ladybug, a symbol of good luck in many cultures. These charming little beetles with their vibrant spotted shells might seem harmless, even delicate, but beneath their diminutive exterior lies a surprising arsenal of defenses. When threatened, ladybugs employ a rather startling strategy: reflex bleeding. They ooze a foul-smelling yellowish liquid from their leg joints, deterring predators with its unpleasant odor and taste. But their defenses don't end there. Their vibrant colors, reds, oranges, and blacks, serve as a warning to would-be attackers. In nature, bright contrasting colors often signal toxicity. This clever mimicry, a survival tactic honed over millennia, allows ladybugs to thrive, reminding us that appearances can be deceiving and even the smallest creatures can possess remarkable defenses. The rooster, a familiar sight on farms around the world, is well known for its piercing morning crow. This vocalization, crucial for establishing dominance and attracting mates, can reach impressive volumes, often exceeding 100 decibels. To put that in perspective, that's akin to the noise level of a jackhammer. One might wonder, how do these birds withstand such a cacophony without damaging their own hearing? The answer lies in a fascinating anatomical adaptation. Roosters possess specialized noise protection plugs, essentially built-in earmuffs, that activate when they crow. These plugs, composed of soft tissue and cartilage, effectively muffle the sound waves entering their ears, preventing potential hearing loss. Hens, too, share this remarkable feature, ensuring their auditory senses remain sharp, even amidst the clamor of the farmyard. This ingenious evolutionary trait highlights the remarkable adaptability of the natural world. It serves as a testament to the intricate ways in which animals have evolved to thrive in their respective environments, even those characterized by extraordinary levels of noise. The owl, a creature of the night, is renowned for its exceptional hunting prowess and piercing gaze. Their large, forward-facing eyes are elongated, resembling tubes. To compensate for their fixed eyes, owls have evolved an astonishingly flexible neck. They can rotate their heads an impressive 270 degrees. Specialized blood vessels ensure a constant supply of oxygenated blood to the brain. This adaptation enables owls to thrive as highly effective nocturnal predators. In the vast expanse of the world's oceans, sharks reign supreme as apex predators. Their sleek bodies, powerful tails, and rows of razor-sharp teeth inspire both awe and fear. They must constantly swim to breathe and stay buoyant. Stopping would cause them to sink. For these magnificent creatures, the imperative to just keep swimming is a matter of life and death. We humans often concern ourselves with fearsome predators, sharks with rows of razor-sharp teeth, bears possessing incredible strength. But the most dangerous animal is the mosquito, responsible for more human deaths than any other animal. They carry diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever, a stark reminder that danger can come in the smallest of packages. In the towering forests of North America, we encounter the embodiment of brute strength and raw power, the grizzly bear, a creature whose physique inspires both awe and trepidation. Yet despite their fearsome reputation, grizzly bears are surprisingly docile herbivores. Their days are spent foraging for berries, nuts, roots, and grasses. They are opportunistic omnivores, consuming fish, insects, and small mammals. The grizzly bear, a creature of immense power, yet one that generally chooses a peaceful existence. The Australian outback, a land of harsh beauty and unforgiving extremes. Here, amongst the sun-baked plains and rocky outcrops, resides a creature that has earned a chilling reputation, the inland taipan. This unassuming serpent, often referred to as the western taipan, holds the dubious distinction of being the most venomous land snake on Earth. Its venom, a potent cocktail of neurotoxins and hemotoxins, is capable of shutting down the human nervous system with terrifying speed. A single bite containing enough venom to kill over 100 adult humans can prove fatal in as little as 30 minutes if left untreated. Despite its deadly potential, the inland taipan is not an aggressive creature by nature. It prefers to avoid confrontation, relying on its camouflage and cryptic nature to remain undetected. When threatened, however, it will defend itself with lightning-fast reflexes, delivering a potentially lethal bite. The inland taipan serves as a stark reminder that even in the harshest environments, beauty and danger often coexist. A delicate dance between predator and prey, where survival hinges on a razor's edge. The world slows to a glacial pace as winter tightens its grip. For the painted turtle, there is no escape from the icy embrace of their frozen ponds. They survive months without air by extracting oxygen from the frigid water. This process, known as cloacal respiration, allows them to breathe through their behind. Their metabolism slows, conserving energy as they await spring. High in the treetops, a raven calls out, its raucous cry echoing through the forest. These highly intelligent birds are renowned for their problem-solving abilities. But there's another side to these fascinating creatures, one that speaks to a surprising depth of emotional complexity. Ravens are deeply in tune with their own emotions and those of their fellow ravens. They experience a range of feelings, from joy to grief. Their emotional states can be contagious. This sensitivity suggests a level of empathy. Their reactions to companions' experiences show emotional intelligence. Hidden amongst the coral reefs, a tiny creature wields a sonic weapon of extraordinary power. The pistol shrimp, a mere 3/4 of an inch long, might seem unassuming. This miniature marvel produces one of the loudest sounds in the ocean. Its specialized claw acts like a biological cavitation gun. Snapping shut, it expels water at 4,500 miles per hour. The resulting shockwave can stun or kill small fish and crustaceans. At 218 decibels, it's louder than a gunshot. Crocodiles, those prehistoric predators lurking in the murky depths. Remarkably, many crocodile species possess a hidden talent, the ability to gallop. Today, smaller crocodiles still employ this galloping gait, particularly when evading danger. Beneath that ancient exterior lies a creature capable of surprising agility. The animal kingdom is full of misconceptions, and encounters with aggressive dogs are often fraught with misinformation. One common myth suggests that yelling at an aggressive dog will scare it away. This, I'm afraid, is a dangerous fallacy. Screaming might make you feel better, but it's likely to have the opposite effect on the dog. Instead of deterring an attack, yelling can actually escalate the situation, further agitating an already agitated animal. The best course of action when faced with a potentially aggressive dog is to remain calm and avoid making direct eye contact. Dogs often interpret direct eye contact as a challenge, which can trigger an attack. Running, although tempting, is also ill-advised. Dogs are naturally inclined to chase, and fleeing will only activate their predatory instincts. The key is to stand your ground, maintaining a non-threatening posture. Should the worst happen and the dog attacks, drop to the ground and curl into a ball, protecting your head and neck with your hands. This minimizes the target you present and may just save you from serious injury. Venturing into the wild, we might encounter creatures far more formidable than ourselves. Wolves, apex predators of the forest, inspire both awe and fear. Unlike encounters with aggressive dogs, running from a wolf is futile. Their speed and stamina far exceed our own, especially in their natural habitat. The moment you turn and flee, you trigger the wolf's instinctual prey drive. Maintaining eye contact is crucial, signaling to the wolf that you are not an easy target. Never, and I cannot stress this enough, turn your back on a wolf. Should you need to retreat, do so slowly and deliberately, always facing the animal. Allowing a wolf to get behind you could be a fatal mistake. Their hunting instincts, honed over millennia, are lightning fast and deadly. Remember, encountering a wolf is a rare and privileged experience. Respect their power, understand their behavior, and you might just live to tell the tale. Some of the tales, while intriguing, can be dangerously misleading. Take, for instance, the belief that applying garlic to a snake bite can neutralize venom. A notion as persistent as it is untrue. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and culinary versatility, holds no medical merit in treating snake bites. Its properties have absolutely no effect on the complex chemistry of venom. In reality, the first line of action following a snake bite should always be to identify the serpent if possible. Take note of its markings, size, and coloration. This information can prove invaluable to medical professionals, aiding them in determining the appropriate antivenom. Remember, time is of the essence. Remaining calm and still can help to slow the venom's spread throughout the body, but above all else, seek immediate medical attention. Prompt treatment is paramount in ensuring a positive outcome following a snake bite. In bear territory, encounters with these creatures are possible. Campfire stories suggest playing dead works when confronted by a bear. However, this tactic does not always hold true. Understanding bear behavior is key. Bears are wild and unpredictable. Convince the bear you are not a threat. Avoid sudden movements or loud noises. Speak calmly, maintain eye contact. Slowly back away if the bear approaches. Never run. Bears are fast runners. From the myth-busting realities of snake bites to the intricacies of bear encounters, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. We've journeyed through a compendium of curious and often unexpected facts, highlighting the wonders and at times the dangers of the natural world. Remember, knowledge is key to appreciating and coexisting with the remarkable creatures that share our planet. By dispelling myths and embracing facts, we can foster a deeper understanding and respect for the awe-inspiring diversity of life that surrounds us. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the animal kingdom's most bizarre and intriguing secrets. If you've enjoyed this journey into the wild side of nature, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the lives of Earth's most extraordinary inhabitants. Until next time, keep those curiosity antennae tuned.